Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. I'm Papinder Singh. Today we are going to discuss our next chapter, chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Start from the name of the chapter, linear equation. Linear means straight, equation means the algebraic expression along with the equality sign. So linear equation is the equation. When we plot that equation on the graph, it always gives us a straight line in two variables whose value is not fixed. Generally, we denote variables with the alphabets like x, y, a, v. The value of variables is not fixed. In previous classes, we already discussed about the linear equation in one variable. Some equations are given like 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Here x is the variable, 2 and 5 are the constants. So here only one variable is given, so it is a linear equation in one variable. Now we will discuss about the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. We have seen equations like 2x plus 5y is equals to 12 and x minus y is equals to 4 and so on. These are the examples of the linear equations. Each of the equation has two variables x and y, but how we can define it? We can say that linear equation in two variable is in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, or we can say ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. We will assume that the second one is the general form of the linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where ABC are the constants and xy are the variables. So a is the coefficient of x and v is the coefficient of y. This is a general form of the linear equation in two variables. Hold on, are there any condition here? Yes. First, the constant a, b, c has to be a real numbers, and the second condition is interesting and I want you to listen it carefully. Both a and b cannot be zero together. Yes, it means at least one to be non-zero. So the value of a and b cannot be zero together. At least one has to be a non-zero number. These are some examples of linear equation in two variables. And here general form of linear equation in two variable is given: ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a and b are not both 0. So one should be a non-zero. Now we will discuss example number 1. In example number 1, you have to write the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the value of the a, b and c. Equations are given. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. Now according to the general form, on the right side of the equation it should be a 0. So take this 4.37 to the left hand side. It is a positive on the right hand side. Left side it's become negative. So it's become 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0. Now compare this equation with the general form. The value of a is with x because a is the coefficient of the x. So coefficient of x is 2. So value of a is equals to 2. And b is the coefficient of y. So v is the coefficient of y. So v value is 3. And the third term without any variable, so that is the minus 4.37. So C value is minus 4.37. So write the equation in the general form and write the values of A, B and C. So first we write the equation in the general form. 4.37 is plus right side, on the left side it's become negative. Then compare it, coefficient of x is A, so A value is 2, coefficient of y is B, B value is 3, and the third term is the C, so C value is minus 4.37. Like this way solve all the parts. Second example, write the following equation in two variables. Equation is given x is equals to minus 5. Only one variable is given x, but we have to write it into the form of two variables. The general form of two variable is ax plus vy plus c is equals to 0, or it is a ax plus vy is equals to c. Now ax is given, vy is not given, so it means the value of v is equals to 0. So we can write it in the form of x is given, x coefficient is not given, so its coefficient is 1 into x. Y variable is not given, it means the coefficient of y is 0. When only x value is given, it means coefficient of y is 0. When only y value is given, it means coefficient of x is equals to 0. So write it in the general form, ax plus vy plus c is equals to 0. Put here value, x is given, x is coefficient is not given, so its coefficient is 1, so it is a 1x. Y value is 0, so coefficient of y is 0, so it's become 0 into y, plus c minus 5 is given, on the left side it's become plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is the way to write the equation in two variables. Similarly, second part is given, y is equals to 2, y value is given, it means x value is 0, so its general form is 0 into x plus 1 into y is equals to 2, or 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Both are correct. Similarly, you have to solve the remaining two parts. Now we will start our first exercise 4.1. First question is, cost of notebook is twice the cost of the pen. Let the cost of notebook is equals to x. Second is pen is given and the cost of pen is y. Now follow the statement. Cost of notebook, that is x, is means equals to twice. Twice means times the cost of the pen. The cost of pen is y. So what is the equation? It's become x is equals to 2y. Write it in the form of linear equation. So x is equals to 2y. 2y is plus this side. On the left side it's become minus. So equation is x minus 2y is equals to 0. Second question is same as the examples. Write the following equation in the general form, ax plus vy plus c is equals to 0, and indicate the value of a, b, c, where a is the coefficient of x, v is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant number. So find the values of the a, b and c. Now our first exercise is completed. If you face any problem in this exercise, share your queries in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day.